Hey guys, how's it going? How to Apple Pay someone. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your browser, and if you want to pay with Apple Pay to someone else, just open the message app and start a new conversation, or tap the existing one, tap the plus icon, tap Apple Cash, and then enter the amount of money that you want to send, tap send, and then tap the send button, double click the side button to pay, and then confirm your payment with facial recognition, touch ID, or even passcode. So this feature mostly not supported in some areas or some iPhones in Saudi, but basically I'm gonna get it eventually, but this is like new feature for us. So now it's being tested in some areas, so basically you're gonna be able to do it by this steps. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next